Big appeal and Sai Kishore's decide to walk.
तेज गति का गेंदबाज इस तरीके की गेंदबाजी कर रहा होता है ना, और निचले क्रम का बल्लेबाज बैटिंग करता है तो थोड़ी सी गलती हो ही जाती है, और साई किशोर को वापस भेजा 151 पर 7.
It's in the man. Will fancy a few more runs. Oh, very lucky to survive. It's a beauty of a delivery. Oh, cleans him up. Going through the gate. What a delivery that was. Akashdeep going through the defenses of Washington Sundar. This is something you like to see over and over again on the replays.
Washington Sundar ने बनाए 9 रन 160 पे 8.
Yash Dayal is out in the middle. And Yash Dayal comfortably getting off the mark. Hit down the ground, presenting the full face of the bat. Successive boundaries for Yash Dayal. And that's hammered away through the offside.
यहां पे मौका है और ध्रुव जुरेल ने कैच पकड़ा है और आकाशदीप की 5वीं सफलता. और इस मैच की बात करेंगे तो 9 विकेट हो गई हैं इनकी.
He was relentless. He was realizing that Navdeep Saini was looking to play shots, and he banged it in short, got his man. A mistimed hook shot way into the sky, safely pouched by Jurel. And thus the end of Saini for 13. 176 for 9, India B. Mukesh Kumar has walked out to bat at the fall of Navdeep Saini. Another hit over the top here from Yash Dayal. He is not going to stay quiet. He is looking for runs. And this time even better. This time through the offside. Shubman Gill getting underneath it, and he pouches it. Very good field by Shubman Gill, and that's the end of the India B innings. 184 all out in the 42nd over.
इनका ये कमाल का मुकाबला रहा है. इस इनिंग में 5 विकेट, पहली इनिंग में 4 विकेट, 9 विकेट लेते हुए.
And this is what has happened in this game. India B put into bat. They were bowled out for 321, and they did well on the field to bowl out India A for 231, and 184 is all they got in the second, leaving India A a target of 275 to win this game outright.
Shubman Gill, look at the numbers, 49.50 after 92 innings. And this man also, the numbers are fabulous, much more experienced, as is this man. 20.73. Accuracy is forte. Accuracy is forte. That is it. Streaky for
3 लिया कि नहीं लिया, नीतीश रेड्डी सोच रहे हैं और क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि उन्होंने क्लीन कैच लिया है. मयंक अग्रवाल अपने ग्राउंड से हिल नहीं रहे हैं. दोनों अंपायर्स चर्चा करेंगे.
And they will take another look, the help of the third umpire.
The ball has clearly taken the bat. It's going to catch. Yes, he's held the catch. Ready with my decision for the big screen.
Simply stunning.
ये था इनका मूवमेंट, ये था इनका रिएक्शन, और ये था इनका रिस्पॉन्स. नीतीश कुमार रेड्डी 7 पर 1. इंडिया ए, मयंक अग्रवाल 3 बना के वापस.
Rayan Parag, those numbers are getting better, I can assure you. As you could watch this shot from Shubman Gill.
बल्ला नहीं रुकेगा आज.
This will go all the way.
He's taken the aggressive method. That's the way he plays. There he goes again. Mighty blow. Oh, what a delivery. Angled in and left it.
Aggression all around. They know they've got a huge wicket. Rian Parag was looking deadly dangerous, and it took a super delivery to get him out.
He's gone for 31 of just 18, 51 for 2.
KL Rahul comes out to bat.
और यहां भी रन मिलेंगे केएल राहुल को. टाइमिंग देखिए आप, कितनी जबरदस्त थी.
Edged and taken, dropped. Straightforward catch, and he's a very good slipper. Nitish Reddy. He's put down a straightforward chance as he put down the game as well.
Does well.
4 रन केएल राहुल के लिए. बाहरी किनारा, और अंपायर को कोई डाउट नहीं है कि ये शुभमन गिल के बल्ले से लगकर कीपर तक गई है.
End of Gill for 21, 75 for 3, India A.
केएल राहुल के साथ अब ध्रुव जुरेल आके जुड़े हैं. सफलता भी मिल गई एकदम से. कॉन्फिडेंस, एक्यूरेसी और फील्ड में मदद अपने गेंदबाज के लिए.
End of Jurel, 76 for 4, India A.
तनुष कोटियान नए बल्लेबाज, क्योंकि ध्रुव जुरेल आए और गए. ये चौथे दिन के खेल में भी आप किसी को हल्का नहीं ले सकते. 76, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर 15 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद वक्त हो चला है भोजन काल का. 8 विकेटें गिरी, 110 रन बनाए गए पूरे सेशन में.
India A chasing the target of 275. They need 199 more runs to win.
Crisis man of Mumbai, Tanush Kotian. This man has seen it all. Whoa! First ball, Tanush Kotian. Mukesh Kumar hit the straps, and that's an edge. Little bit of a loose shot for the first ball after lunch, and he will have to perish.
कोटियान 0 पे आउट हुए हैं. 76 पे 5.
New batter Shivam Dube, but look at those numbers.
और शॉट पे नजर रखिए आप. जैसे ही वो गेंदबाज ने थोड़ी सी भी चूक करी ना लेंथ में, वहां केएल राहुल तैयार रहते हैं. यहां पे रूम मिला है और उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया शिवम दुबे ने.
Hammered away, loosener. You don't bowl this to Dube. Leading edge and taken. Mushir takes another brilliant catch. Looking to work leg side. I wonder why. Should have played a lot straighter. Shivam Dube is gone. 6 down now.
और छठा झटका दे दिया इंडिया ए को 99 के स्कोर पे शिवम दुबे के रूप में.
Kuldeep Yadav comes out to bat.
ये ट्रेडमार्क केएल राहुल शॉट.
Gorgeous. That's the reason why he wanted that single.
अब आराम से पूरा हुआ सिग्नल. छोटा सा माइलस्टोन केएल राहुल ने यहां पे पा लिया है. अर्धशतक. वेल प्लेड केएल राहुल. एक 132 पर 6 मेडन ओवर के साथ यश दयाल का ये वाला ओवर समाप्त हुआ. 36 ओवर खेल चुकी है इंडिया ए. अभी भी 143 रन की आवश्यकता ये मुकाबला जीतने के लिए. चाय काल का समय शुरू हो चुका है.
And right now India A 132 for 6, and they need another 143 runs to get the 6 points and win this game.
यहां रन मिलेंगे. यहां सैनी से भी थोड़ी चूक हुई है. भारी किनारा और यहां विकेट मिलेगी. बड़ी सफलता. वो गति में भी परिवर्तन किया था मुकेश ने, और एक बार फिर से वो कैच विकेट कीपर नहीं पड़ा. इस मैच में रहा है बहुत सारे कैचेस विकेट कीपर ने पकड़ते.
It was a poor shot again, resulting in the dismissal of KL Rahul. Rahul gone for a well-made 57, 141 for 7. Akashdeep.
यहाँ रन मिलेंगे. कुलदीप ने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मुझे तंग कर रहे हैं, मैं लगाता हूं चौका.
Big appeal, and everybody confident, so is the umpire. It's been reviewed straight away.
It's clear gap as the ball passes the glove on the left hand side screen. It is off the shoulder. Going back to Tapan on field. I recommend you to reverse your decision. You're
Off the shoulder, so correction in decision. Hoists this run. He's made decent enough contact. He'll get a 4.
And in between, he likes to play some shots like this. And he's taken the aerial route and he's cleared the boundary. I'll come back to that. That's hit away. That's it straight down the ground. And it's gone flat and straight into the side screen.
मिल गई विकेट.
Tall Washington Sundar tossing it up nicely. It gripped a bit. And Mushir Khan watching it safely. And that's Kuldeep Yadav going back in a dejected manner. Dismissed for 14, 170 for 8. Avesh Khan walks out to bat. That's smashed away through the offside. And there it is, Sai Kishore coming underneath it. He misjudged it, he was running back.
अपॉर्चुनिटी थी जहां नवदीप सैनी की गेंद पर कैच निकल गया हाथ से. पूरा प्लान करके ये शॉट खेलने के लिए मजबूर किया था.
Deflection and a lovely take this from Rishabh Pant. And that went off the glove. End of Avesh Khan. A second wicket for Saini.
अवेश खान 3 रन बना के वापस 183 पर 9. इंडिया A.
Khalil Ahmed.
यहाँ पे रन मिलेंगे. चौका मिलेगा वो आखिरी गेंद पे.
Oh, that's gone to the boundary like a trace of bullet. That's a huge hit. Oh, I think this is going to be mighty close.
It's nice and slow.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल है.
Yes, wicket is
Run
down.
out है यहाँ पे.
Shot off his crease, ready
अच्छा
with my
बाउंसर भी था.
decision for
आकाश
the
को
big
पता नहीं
screen.
चला वो गेंद गई किधर.
Yeah, congratulations to each other for the fielding side. They've fought hard. 6 points it is for India B.